What's up, fellow traders? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good midnight, wherever you are on earth listening to me. It's your boy again, David, live from IFX Studio. Yeah, I'm here again this evening, to forecast EurUsd. I forecast this trading since like almost 3 weeks ago, like more than a month now, and it's going exactly to the direction that I forecasted. This was the candle that ended on Friday night. You understand? It's continued this evening Eastern time, because when it's midnight in the London time, it's gonna be around 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock here in North America. So here's what it is. You can see this trade. It's moving up exactly as forecasted. I told you guys that this trade is an uptrending trade, and should you check my statistics, I've drew all this trend line for more than a week now, for more than a month now, no, for more than 2 weeks now. Sorry, please, I got a lot going on my head. So people, please, I'll definitely appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button, on all my social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I really appreciate it. Please just support the ministry and help me move this forward. It means a lot to me if you could subscribe. So here's what I'm saying. It's a win-win trade. You can see the trade is still going exactly as I drew the trend line, as I forecasted. So I don't know what you see, I don't know what you think, but please, people, just take your time to look at the market. This is a sweet trade. Honestly, this is sweet. Honestly, this is really sweet. I love this. I love how it's going. It's going according to the direction that I forecasted. You understand? This really makes me happy. This really makes me feel joy in my heart. By the time, this market is still going to reverse a little bit, but forget it. It's an uptrending market. You understand? So this is what I see there. You get me? So I don't know what you see in this market, but this is what I see in this market. So people, please, just take your time to watch the market. Just take your time to study the market. Take your time to tell me what you think, what you see. You get it? But should we check this market way back? Because one thing about me, before I do any trading analysis, I check it way back. So should you just look at the market, you can see you know what, I just thank God. You get it? Because the trade is going exactly as forecasted. So let's just go back a little bit. Let's just go back a little bit and see what the market have to say. Get it? So this market, USD has already taken charge for since January 2nd, 2019. USD took charge. It went bearish, but Euro took it up a little bit. Just 50 pips. And US dollar took charge again. It came down. Euro took charge on the 3rd of January, and it came, it drove it to on the 8th of January. You get it? So the market, USD still took charge of the market, and it came down again. It's a good thing, but USD is trying to, the market was falling, going bearish. There was a kind of a trade. There was a kind of down, down raging kind of signal here, but USD is trying to fight the market, which is good. USD is fighting the market, which is very good. But Great Britain, but Euro, but Euro is really proving itself, showing USD that, hey, I'm still here. I got to represent, but Euro wasn't strong enough at all this era, but USD was speaking a language specifically around this place, around all these places, all this circle. USD was speaking a specific language to the people. USD was saying, hey, don't forget I am here. You understand? So USD was able to drag the market down very long. But when it was on the 21st of February 2020, Euro picked up the pace and it started going up. It started going bullish, 25th bullish, 26th it have a tie. You understand? 27th bullish, 20 on the second, 28 bullish on the 2nd of March, bullish, that is March 2020. On the 3rd of March, bullish. On the 4th of March, it came bearish a little bit. On the 5th of March, it went bullish. On the 6th of March, it went bullish. On the 9th of March, it's still bullish, but USD still took charge and shows the market what's up. You get it? So USD took the market from here and it came down, bearish. USD took charge of the market on the 10th of March. You understand? USD took charge of the market and it came to this place. So let's just calculate how many pips this is. It came from here. Let me see. 1448 till 06 to 0688. 1448 0688. Man, we talking about this. We're talking about almost 300 pips here. You understand? USD was able to count almost 300 pips, which is a very, very good thing. But at least Euro still pick up the pace, but it wasn't strong. USD came to the down low. You understand? USD came to the down low. So USD was able to speak in some language, but Great Britain pound took it up from there, took the pace up, and just showing USD what the market is all about. But USD will always be USD. You get it? So USD picked it up again. It's almost formed a tie here on the 20th of March 2020. 23rd of March, it keep going bullish 24th, bullish 25th, 26th, 27th. On the 28th, on the 30th of March, USD took the pace again and it keep coming down. It was running bullish, bearish. You get it? But Euro was able to pick up the pace again around May. May 18, Euro pick up the pace again, keep going. May 19, May 20, bullish. May 21, bearish, not for long. May 22, bearish, not for long. May 23, it tried to change direction of the market in favor of Euro. May 26th, it pick up the pace and Euro start going up. I'm sorry, people. I think I'm a little bit, I have, there was some calculation that I did about Great Britain pound. Maybe that's why I was just saying Great Britain pound always. So, Euro was able to pick the market up. It spoke a lot of languages in this circle, in all this circle, in all this very circle, that I drew the trend line like this, that I drew, all this trend line. Euro speaks some kind of powerful languages. You understand? Euro speaks some kind of powerful language, and believe me when I say, people, Euro speaks a lot of powerful languages here. But thank God for not just statistical calculation. Thank God for the price action calculation. So people, please, I'll really appreciate it if you could tell me what you see in this market. Just let me know what you see. Let me know what you believe is happening in the market. Let me know what you see that, hey, this is what is happening in the market. This is what I see that is going on in the market. You get it? Let me just know your own opinion. So people, please, I'll definitely appreciate it. Just like I said, if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button in all of my social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. I really appreciate it. Please, people, I really need to get my YouTube to a minimum of 20,000 people. Please, people, please, I beg you, please just help me. Please help me grow this ministry, help me grow this channel. So people, please like, share, subscribe, click on the notification button. Trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all, and see you in my next video. Have a good one.
Be humble. Really, no matter what you have, you can be a very powerful person, a very wealthy person, a very popular person, a very good-looking person. You can be whatever. but you need to be humble. People will love you when you're down to earth, when you are a normal human being like everyone else.